Salam دقيقة. Guys, this device is the best thing to learn Tigrinya. It's so easy, it's small, it's perfect for kids. I bought it as a gift for my godson. So please, get it for yourself. Buy it as a gift for, I don't know, for other friends. Because this is literally what we Eritreans need right now. And someone just came up with it. So of course we gotta support this. And yes, improve your Tigrigna. We can't forget where we come from. We can't forget our language. I love Tigrigna. It's a secret language. ده اللي حاجة مساحهم Tigrigna هزار خيالية ولا حدا خلد أنا خياليو. And I love it. It's a secret language. So guys, بجاهم, get this, be happy, be smart, learn, and let's support our brothers and sisters.
Malta.